Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about a selection sort algorithm. So let's consider the array elements as 12, 78, 45, 34, and 2. So here selection sort contains mainly two steps. The first step is find the minimum element in array elements. That is the first step. That is select the minimum element. And second step is we have to swap that minimum element with first element in the array. Swap it. Swap this minimum element with the first array element. Okay, these are the two main steps we have to perform. Okay, let's understand with the example. So the first step, right? We have to select a minimum element among all these 5 elements. Okay, so what is the minimum element? 2. And we have to swap with first element. What is the first element? 12. Okay, so 2 and 12 will goes here. Correct. So remaining elements will stay as it is. 78, 45, 34. Okay, that is the first step. Okay, so once we swapped minimum element with first element, see now minimum element is there in the first position, which means this portion is sorted. Okay, now we have to start checking the remaining portion of the array from here to here. Correct. So now from this portion, that is from 78 to 12, again we have to find a minimum. Correct. So the next step is now 2 will be there in the first position. Now we have to keep checking from 78 to 12. So from 78, 45, 34, 12, what is the minimum? 12. That we have to swap with. Now we have to consider this as a, this is unsorted portion, right? We have to sort with 78. That is 12 and 78 will come here. So remaining elements are 45, 34. Correct. So now this portion is sorted. Okay. What is the unsorted portion? 45, 34, 78. Correct. Now again, we have to find out the minimum among this unsorted portion. So what is the minimum element in unsorted portion? 34, right? Correct. We have to swap with first element. Here in now unsorted portion, first element is 45. That is the next step. So 2, 12, 34 will come here. We have to swap it. 45 will come here. 78. Correct. So now this part is sorted. Okay. Now what is unsorted portion? 45 and 78. Correct. Now again we have to find out minimum element. Okay. What is the minimum element now? 45. Correct. So is swapping required? No. 2, 12, 34, 45. Okay. This complete part is sorted. Now 78 will come here. This is unsorted. So since we have only one element here, now we no need to compare it. Okay, now this is single element, it's already sorted. Got it? So how many steps we performed? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. What is array size? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So n, that is array size is 5, and we have compared the elements only in 4 steps. That is n minus 1. Correct. So now how to implement it? We have to use a nested loops. Loop under one more loop. The first loop will go till n minus 1 till here. Correct. The inner loop is used to find a minimum element, and if you found the minimum element and swap it. Okay, let's quickly write the code. So the same example I just have taken here, same 12, 78, 45, 34 to let's write the code. So selection sort array I'm passing, and let's pass length. Okay, so write a one user defined method public static void selection sort int array, and let's take length as n. Okay, and after sorting I want to print the output, right? So let print arrays dot toString of array, right? Okay, now write the logic for this is the outer loop, right? Int I equals to 0, I less than, we have to go n minus 1, right? We have to go till here, we no need to go less than n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 I plus plus, and here I'm taking one variable minimum, min equals to, initially let's minimum as first element, that is I. Write a inner for loop for int j equal to, let's compare, I want to find out the minimum element from next element, right? I'm comparing from I plus 1, j less than n. I have to compare till, I want to compare all the last till last element, right? So less than n and j plus plus. Okay, if a of j, if it is less than a of minimum, okay, then initially minimum is I, right? Now I'll change minimum equals to j. Got it? So once I got the minimum, I have to swap it with first element, right? My first element, that is I equals to, this I is always pointing to the first element in every iteration. So we know the logic to swap it, right? Into temp equal to a of minimum. Okay, a of minimum equals to a of I, and a of I equals to temp. Okay, that's all. Now just run the program. We got it, right? That is sorted 2, 12, 34, 45, 78. Correct. So what's the time complexity of this algorithm? So since we are using a 2 for loops, right? One for loop, okay, till n minus 1, and one more for loop till n. So it's equivalent to order of n square. So the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n square. And since we are using a 2 for loops, this time complexity is same for best and worst case. Okay, and the space complexity, we are not using any extra space. Space complexity is order of 1. Okay, thanks for watching this video.